you're walking? Hello.
He's coming over here.
He's coming over here. Oh my God.
Say hi. Say hello.
Come on.
Go away.
Hello.
Just like that.
Yeah, only the two of them deal with the one with the white on it.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
You hear him? He said, how are you? How are you?
Hi. With you.
Hello?
That was good. That was good too.
Don't get... Hey, he's yelling at you.
Get your foot down.
Say hello.
Hello. Guess what? I have garlic. Hello. Don't bite me. That's a fly to him.
Like some of them birds do when they're making, like them feathers girl.
Kathy? Kathy, don't.
Cap, cap. Mom?
You say, hey, baby.
Hey, Tito.
Don't do that.
Hello.
Say Kathy. Say Kathy.
Kathy. Kathy. Yeah, Kathy. Taylor.
Don't get too close to his face, Taylor.
Put your hand back.
He will bite.
Hello. How are you? How are you?
Whistle at us. See if he'll whistle.
Hi.
The other day I was carrying a chair in. Had a sleeve shirt on. I'm like, I said, fucking bird. He thought he was
Get back. Get back.
And she was out here working, and the bird started whistling. And
I don't get to see my body.
I think I'm a hook.
Hello.
They'll
How
do
much
the
that
first
bird
part of
cost?
the whistle sometimes, and want you to do the second part, and then they'll do the second part, want you to do the first part.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Are they expensive?
How are you?
He was a little bit, but there's a parrot place in Derby, right on 77.
What's his name?
And I went in there, and he has baby macaws with
Is he a boy or girl?
$1,500. He's got good deals.
What's his name?
Leland.
Oh. Is he a boy or girl?
She thinks he's a boy. We're never really gonna say.
The boys have girls.
Hey, don't. We don't need to explain what the difference is. Start laughing.
Mama.
I want one. Jim said we can have caged animals. Careful.
Hello.
Back. Yeah.
He said,
He get hurt. He bites me when he gets.
Hello.
hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Jim say, how are you?
Get all the attention, you don't know what
How
to
are
do.
you?
Up, up. Up, up. Hey, don't eat that. I don't know if it's good for you. Hey, don't do that. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
Come here. Up, up. Hi, man.
He's taking the attention.
Up, up. Up, up.
He says, no, you.
I'm about to take off, fool. You've been ignoring me for the past couple of weeks. Come here.
Can he fly?
Hello.
Clip right
He is
now.
clipped.
I'll throw him to make sure before I let him out. It grows like once every 3 months. You got to check.
Grab him now. Just.
The guy showed me how to do it, but I'm still scared to.
Hello.
So.
Hello.
But he files the guy down in Derby files his beak down, clips his wings and his nails. It's like $18.
That's not bad.
And he's supposed to be like a bird whisperer. I don't know. I think that's all baloney. But he went right up to him. He rolled over. He let him file his beak by hand and everything.
Oh, no.
I couldn't believe it.
Wow.
Because normally he'll go after people,
Oh, kitty.
especially when he's fluffed up like that and his eyes get all dilated. It's crazy. I I don't
See the
even-
kitty? See the kitty?
Careful, careful.
Guys. Taylor, stare out there. Don't
That is so cool. I want one.
Me too, I want one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey, you see? Shit. You know I'm punched. I punched you before.
I know.
He said, I know.
You think that's funny, huh? Yeah? You want a box? I'll go box him. He'll put up his things.
I can imagine the stuff he'd teach him.
Oh
The
my
box?
God.
Want a box?
Bitch, buy me a beer.
Box. Go, 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 go.
Want to fight? Huh? Want to fight? Huh? See? You wanna
Only
fight?
for birds
fight?
to fly.
You want to go at it? Huh? Boom. Boom.
He will bite.
Oh, yeah. He gets me good.
Yeah.
Yeah? He bit me right through the butt before. Like,
Oh my God.
oh, yeah. I was gone for like 8 months. He let me know. We got him when he was only like this big. A little bit.
Aw.
Whoa. What the?
Pick it up.
Ow! I can't roll it.
Where you going, huh?
Chasing Kathy.
He's on the prowl.
It's gonna pounce. He's going after Kathy and laughing.
Go get the prowl. Somebody's bit.
Hey, don't.
Hey, Leland, stop. Hey. Come on, come on. What are you doing?
He's chasing
He's chasing her too. I've never seen that before.
Kathy. Get up, Kathy. Get up. Get up.
Come on. Come on.
Aw. Oh, bye.
Bye, little birdie.
That is so cool. I love that. Kathy, get back.
That's
so
Pizza
cool.
Man. Pizza Man.
How long does it take for him to learn how to talk?
A few moments.
Really?
Just out of nowhere, just started picking up and just started going off on everything.
Daddy, that is so awesome. I never seen
He's
birds.
chasing. Funny.
You want to come to Daddy?
Oh, he really did get your fingers.
Oh, he's mad.
He's still talking to you.
He's so shocking
Shit.
Oh my God.
You want to get beat up? You're just excited because you see all the people, huh? I mean, when nobody's around and it's just us, he'll roll over. He wants to he'll stop purring. He wants you to pet him.
Oh my God. It's like a Furby.
That just freaking hurt. You just hurt me. I'm gonna knock you off, fool. Huh? You get beat up? All right, let's go back to your cage. Ready?
She's seeing the birds out here chasing them.
He chased Kathy up.
All the way across the street.
Kiss me.